Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today is the day 8 of 10 days of one pan recipes and we are going to make one pot chicken and rice. If you like this recipe, give a thumbs up and subscribe.
Let's check out the ingredients to cook this Chinese style one pot chicken and rice. Firstly, get a good piece of fresh ginger and cut into large pieces. And chop 4 cloves of garlic. Ginger and garlic is going to give the flavors and aroma to this dish. I am using chicken thighs because they don't dry out as much as breast. Cut them to medium sized pieces. Now for the marination, add chopped ginger and garlic, salt, ginger powder, onion flakes half teaspoon each, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil, 1.5 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken up the sauce and also get that shiny and glossy look. Add 1 tablespoon of water and give this a good mix. It is best if we can leave this for 15 to 20 minutes to marinate. I have 2 cups of rice already washed. Place the marinated chicken pieces on top along with ginger and garlic pieces. You can also add Chinese sausage or mushroom into this. Wash out the bowl with water and add into the rice. We are not throwing all these flavors. Add 2 cups of water. Place this in the rice cooker and let it cook. For garnishing, I am preparing some spring onions. Once the rice is cooked, this is how it looks like. Delicious and convenient one pot Chinese chicken and rice. Like and subscribe for more recipes. Hope you guys enjoy this. See you next time.